Aidan Murphy is a hot air balloon enthusiast from Dunshaughlin in County Meath. When conditions allow, he regularly takes his balloon into the air over the Royal County. A team of volunteers is on hand, and much needed, to get the balloon ready for flight. It takes about 3/4 of an hour to prepare everything so that Aidan can get airborne. This flight will bring Aidan from Trim towards Navan and will last less than an hour. He is unable to fly from his home in Dunshaughlin on this occasion because winds would carry him towards Dublin Airport. But conditions are just perfect for taking the balloon up on this April evening. Before being pumped full of hot air, the balloon is partly inflated using a cool air fan. It's a noisy business. Everything is checked carefully to ensure the balloon is safe for flight. After a short time, the balloon is inflated enough to allow the burner to be used. Aidan steps into position and onlookers step back so that the hot air burner can be fired up. This allows the cold air fan to be switched off. With the balloon upright, some last-minute rigging is carried out.
Now we want to sing it live.
The balloon is tethered to a nearby vehicle to allow it to remain upright until liftoff. At just the right moment, Aidan releases the tether and they float away. There are plenty of goodbyes and the promise of a cup of tea upon landing.
Let's get a cup of tea. Whoa.
This is perfect.
Not content to watch it disappear into the distance, we decide to give chase. When we catch up, the balloon cuts a beautiful picture in the glow of evening sun. Regular burns keep it at just the right altitude. With the sun gone down, Aidan must look for a suitable landing site for his balloon. This must be a field with grass, not crops, and must be accessible from a nearby road. He has to watch out for power lines and other such obstructions. Aidan and his passengers get a bird's eye view of the M3 motorway. And very soon he sees the perfect landing spot. And he puts the balloon down gently. Well, as gently as possible. His team of volunteers and a not inconsiderable band of photographers has followed his course, and there will be plenty of hands available to help recover the balloon for the next flight. A few bursts of hot air help keep the balloon upright until they arrive. And so ends this flight over Meath, and the balloon is deflated so that it can be put away until next time.
I'm not